Getting a guy to be with you and in a relationship is one thing, but knowing how to make him fall in love is a different thing. There are reasons why you fall for a certain person, and once you understand the rules of attraction, you'll be the master of making guys fall for you. Now, if you are not sure how to make your boyfriend fall in love with you, just follow the tips below, and you might soon get the desired results. 1. Smile and be happy. As much as possible, don't forget to enjoy yourself and let it show. The happier you are, the more your boyfriend will be drawn to your positive vibes. Flash a genuine smile often, be enjoyable and outgoing, laugh at his jokes, and be optimistic. Guys generally love girls with a sense of humor who can make them feel good. 2. Be kind and considerate. Always say thank you in every little thing he does for you. Compliment him, give him time, or lend him a helping hand. Showing your kind personality will increase your boyfriend's affection for you. 3. Give him a physical touch. Physical touch is the most important part of love. Your touch would be incredibly exciting for the guy you love. Give him tight and long-lasting hugs, passionate kisses, or hold his hands in public. This will not only make your guy happier and feel loved, but it will also lower his anxiety, improve his mood, and relieve his stress. 4. Ask him about his day. Asking your boyfriend how his day went shows how much you care about him, but listening to his response proves how much you love him. This only serves as a simple reminder to him that someone cares about both the big and small aspects of his day. 5. Be a woman who appreciates him. A guy simply wants you to appreciate all his efforts for you. That's really not a lot to ask. So, if you want him to see the best in you and fall hopelessly in love with you, the one thing you can do is to appreciate him and don't ever take him for granted. As much as possible, compliment him, show him respect, encourage his outside interest, thank him, give him time, and remind him about small imperfections but focus on his good qualities. 6. Accept him just as he is. If you want your guy to fall in love with you, accept him whole for who he is right now. Do not treat him as some kind of project that needs to be fixed. Instead, just accept the fact that he is not perfect, he commits mistakes, and he has flaws. 7. Show your affection. Sometimes, you have to show your love and adoration for someone through your gestures. You can do this by making a point to really listen to him, doing something kind for him every day, making time no matter how busy you are, verbally affirming that you care for him, supporting him, and by remembering that physical touch can say a lot. Same as what I've mentioned in number 3. 8. Bring out the best in him. Guys want a girl who can encourage them to go for their passion. When you bring out the best in him, he'll feel amazing and he'll want to be around you. Focus on his strength, intelligence, wisdom, courage, and believe in him more than he believes in himself. 9. Make yourself look beautiful. Looking your best will give him the attention that you need to make him fall in love with you. Most guys act on what they see, so be aware of what you're wearing, whether your hair is nice or dry, and if you are dressed appropriately. Just do your best to look as good as you can. No matter where you're going, your guy will definitely love you for that. 10. Be yourself. Take your mask off and let him know that you accept yourself as you are. Your boyfriend wouldn't want to see the fake you. Besides, if you do end up with that person for the rest of your life, he'll eventually going to see the real you. So, if you want him to stay madly in love with you, be yourself right from the start. Your authenticity breeds deep intimacy, which is something both guys and girls crave. 11. Try to be the best version of yourself. In connection to number 10, being true to yourself will make your boyfriend fall for you because of your honesty and humility in accepting your flaws. It will also give him the confidence he needs to trust you. However, if you want him to constantly fall in love with you now and forever, don't just be contented with being who you currently are, especially if you have negative habits and attitudes that might exhaust your patience in the future. Instead, that you are making efforts to grow as a person for your boyfriend and for your relationship. If he loves you, he will surely accept you for who you really are despite your flaws and differences. However, if you want him to love you more and make your relationship last longer, strive to make yourself truly better. It will definitely make your boyfriend Realize that you are not just thinking for yourself, but you are also thinking for him and the future of your relationship. 12. Just love him. Last but not the least, just love him from the bottom of your heart. Love naturally attracts love. So no matter what you do to make him fall in love with you, you can never succeed if you don't fall in love with him first. You don't have to expect your boyfriend to fall in love with you in return. So just give your pure and tender love to him, and it will naturally trigger his hidden or unreleased love for you. Remember that you don't have to be perfect to be the best version of yourself and make him fall in love with you. You don't also need to compete with other girls to catch your boyfriend's love and attention. What you need to do is to compete with yourself, so you will grow as a person, so you will grow the love you are giving to him. So he will naturally fall in love with you more without expecting it. And so your love and relationship can become happier and stronger.